guys, today we are going to open this.
Let's open this, Mom.
What is this? It's Chik Talk. Chik Talk.
And it's Barbie over it.
It's Barbie over it?
Yeah.
Okay, Zoya is going to open this surprise egg.
Candies over here, and this is the Christmas thing over here.
Okay.
So let's open it.
Okay.
Let's open it there, Mommy.
Okay, I will open it. You can't? Yeah, it's hard. I'll try.
Okay.
Oh wow! Do you like it, Zoya?
So,
What's inside? Show it to us. It's a toy, I think.
And
It's also a sticker man kind of. We have to fix it.
wow, it's so yummy.
What is inside? What is yummy? Oh, it's a jelly.
It's also
Orange jelly. And this is another. It's lemon and orange. Wow, it's the chocolate. And what is this? It's also a toy.
So let's open it.
Okay.
Let's open it. So start and open it.
Okay. Open them one by one. What's inside?
It's blue, kind of yellow and blue, and we have a sticker over here.
Okay, show me. Yeah, it's a sticker inside as well. You know, we will have, it's a sticker guide now. We'll follow the sticker and we will make what it is.
Okay, let's open it. You open it.
Okay, I open it.
Oh, Mom. It's going to open it. Surprise it.
You are playing with this surprise egg. Open this jelly and taste it. How it is. Then tell me. Is it yummy or not?
It's yummy.
Yummy? Open it.
Oh.
It's yummy.
Yummy.
Really yummy. Now we'll have to open these. Now let me fix all the toys, then we'll show it.
Okay.
Wow, I have joined it. It's, you know, it's a saucer and the cup and a spoon inside.
And so
Okay, we got, you know, it's moving. It's a cup. I think coffee. And it's chocolate inside. It's very yummy. And it's, what is this? It's a bit animal. It's kind of,
tell them
it's an animal.
and my daughter is
So these were
this.
things in this Chik Talk by Chik Talk, kind of, you know, surprise egg, and jellies inside as well. And we will fix it as well. It's a card Hulk tractor, I think. So we have enjoyed it and we are eating it. We got so many tiny toys in it. It was a surprise egg.
No, it is not a surprise egg. It was a chocolate egg.
Yeah, you got chocolate as well from it, है ना? And jellies. Bye bye.